Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately. Confirm you have the 48-digit Bitlocker recovery key and admin account access. If the key is on Microsoft account, sign in on another device and retrieve it. Once done, insert the USB if you saved the key there and plug the Vivobook into power. Reboot into the Bitlocker prompt or Windows recovery by holding Shift while selecting Restart. Make sure you can reach advanced options to proceed to unlock or recovery commands. You now run the unlocking step. At the Bitlocker screen, pick Enter Recovery Key and type the 48-digit key exactly, or choose the Recovery USB to auto-unlock. If that fails, boot to Advanced Options, right arrow Troubleshoot right arrow Command prompt. Use Manage BDE Unlock C. Recovery password your key, then Manage BDE status to verify. Make sure to check disk health with chkdsk/fc if errors appear. These commands reveal whether the drive unlocks or needs repair before Windows will boot normally. Once the drive is unlocked, remove any temporary USB and reboot to let Windows complete startup. This often resolves transient lock states. If Windows still fails, return to Advanced Options and run Startup Repair, then retry unlocking steps. If startup or key rejection persists, use a second recovery key from your Microsoft account or restore a recent system image. Sometimes hardware TPM resets require reprovisioning in BIOS. One key troubleshooting tip. If you're blocked, try reseating the battery/AC.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.